To set up your Felicity solar inverter, get your manual and then your inverter should be switched on. If I want to change the utility input range from APL to UPS, it's showing me number 3 on the manual. I'll go to the UPS and hold the enter button for a couple of seconds and it will switch into settings mode. But that is not all. You have to press that button one more time again for it to enter into settings mode proper. Then I will scroll down to number 3, which is the number that we are currently working on now. It is currently set to APL, but I want it to be set to UPS so that it starts up a bit faster when there is power outage. Then that is it. It is set. That is all you need to do. Just ensure your inverter is switched on. Get your manual, scroll down to the number, look for the number you're looking for. Then on the inverter button, you have to press the enter button and hold it for some time till it shows you that set sign, and then you input the number that you want. So I will do one more testing for you so that it becomes clearer. Now, assuming I want to change the output source priority, I want it to be utility solar before battery. So I will go to the inverter and then press and hold the settings button till it enters the settings mode. Now I'll scroll down to number 4, which is the number of the settings I want to adjust from the manual. This is number 4. It is currently set to utility solar then battery. Okay, so if I want to change it, I will just scroll down, use the arrow keys to scroll to it and set it to whatever I want it to be. So but for now I want it to be utility solar before battery. So let's look at another setting again from the manual and then we'll be able to set it. So we have a lot of settings here that you can work with. So you just scroll down to the number of the settings that you want. So for example, I want to turn on the temperature setting, the over temperature setting. I want to see what it is. I think it is currently set to off as default. So I want to either put it on, or you can either put it off, but I would advise you to put it off so that your inverter doesn't go up intermittently. Okay, even because the inverter has its own fan, so when the temperature is a bit high, it tends to switch off when you switch on this setting. So you have to be very careful with this setting. Okay, so I want to work on this setting. I want to adjust this setting to suit my what I want for now. Yours can be a bit different. So I'll go to my inverter, I'll press and hold the enter button for a couple of seconds till it enters the setting mode. Then I will, with the arrow key, I will scroll down to the number that I want. So I'll keep scrolling till it gets to the number I have on my manual, which is number 16. Is currently disabled, so you can either use the arrow key to enable it or disable it, but I will advise you to disable this. So that is it for Felicity Inverter. I will see you some other time.